Good morning, this is David Lundgren at the Digital Design Center. Today we're going to be doing a quick training for brand new people in setting up your LinkedIn profile. First thing you want to do, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, is go to linkedin.com and set up a free account. Everything I'm about to show you is all free. So the first thing you want to do is you come in here to Profile and you click on Edit Profile. And it's going to show you all these little pencils. That means that you can edit those areas. This is called the header area. You want to put a picture, put your name in there. And then pay attention to this header wording area because these should be keywords. Always think about what are people searching for? What kind of words are they looking for? Are they looking for marketing, expert, veterans, small business, opportunity seekers, monetize, social media? So you can see how I'm packing that phrase. It doesn't always have to make sense. It's just got to have the keywords in there. So what you want to do is as you scroll down, you can see it has the posts. I'm going to show you later what it looks like to a real person. Remember, we're in the editor. So we can come in here, put in a summary, and I can actually open it up and come down here. Has all about me, contact information, what others say, who I work with, things like that. And then you can save it. But pay attention down here. You can put in a picture, a video, and then I have skills and recommendations. People, that's not me doing this. This is people coming back and recommending me. Now the number here, 99, that's as high as it gets. Okay, but some of these have 9,000 because I've got a lot of people coming in and recommending me. So as you scroll down there, and you can have up to 50 recommendations, just so you know. Write that down, up to 50. Then you come down here to experience, and you want to use these same keywords because the keyword section, which I'll go over in detail in another video, but it's looking for how many times you've used these keywords in your profile. And so you can see right down here, companies I've consulted with. I'm using these on every one of my skills and experiences. And you can see I always put a video right there. And as you go down, you just want to go ahead and build this out. Now this will take some time, but once you got it up and running, 99% of it's done and you don't have to do it anymore. And as you scroll down there, you can see the experiences, everything's there. Go down. I've got it. Yours may not be as lengthy as mine. Okay, then we go down here to volunteer, opportunities, education, things like that. Additional interest, organizations, honors, languages, groups. This is what you want to pay attention right here. See 52 more groups. Okay, I work with a lot of veterans, and you can see right here it's got all these members. So do you want to do this individually, or do you want to post to a group that's got 55,000 or 100,000, or some of them have millions? And it's getting out there. It's branding, and it's a very efficient way. Like right here, public relations, you're posting out to 281,000 people. And so you can always go in here and find what other groups that they're a part of, and you want to do the same thing. All the people you're following. So this is kind of like a resume, and you want to go ahead and let me scroll up again real quick. So that's the editor, and the best thing to do is kind of look at other people's profiles, kind of do a search up here, and you can actually go in and find what other people are doing, copy paste type of stuff. So what I can do now to show you is I can come up here to edit profile, click on view profile as, and then go up here to connections. If I click on connections, it's not going to show me the editor pieces of it. It's actually going to go in and update my profile. So this is notice all the edit buttons are gone. So what we can do is we can see exactly how it looks, kind of like in a proof mode, what other people see. And it's real simple to do. It just takes a little time to set up your profile. You can also do this, see how it looks to the public. And that a public means they're not first level connected. And LinkedIn basically says if you want to see my full profile, sign up your free account. So that's what the public is forcing them to set up a free account, which is fine. So you can come up here, who's viewed your profile, and click on here. You can see charts, the analytics. I've had 6,800 profile views in the last 90 days. You can click on how you rank, which is right off the screen there. I'm ranking top percent, 133 out of 22,000 connections. Who's viewed your posts, and all my posts, all the traffic and everything comes in here. What you can do is this. I'm going to go ahead and pull this over. Professionals, you can see right here I'm ranking number 1 in that group, in your company group. Out of 510, number 1. Your connections right here, ranking 133 out of 22,000, top 1%. So you can come down here and you can see there's a little secret right here, jump to you. So it goes down, and so I'm above all those people, and every day it's just I'm rising to the top like cream on top of milk. So you can always come back up here and see how well you're doing. And in the next video, we're going to show you how to search, how to do some advanced searches, and how to come in here and look at people, jobs, companies, groups, universities, posts. This is very powerful, the post part, the inbox, and how to do that. So your homework is really to set up your profile. Spend some time thinking of keywords. How are people going to search you? What keywords are you going to use? Build out your profile, and so those keywords rank really high. And you can see right here, I can put in, I did this last night, Rise Up is one of the companies. So I just focused on that keyword, and you can see right there, I'm number 1, and that's above the company. So I do know what I'm doing and how to rank on keywords. So if you think about it, no matter what keyword I put in there, I could do this real quick. I think I'm doing pretty good here. Monetize social. That's one of my keywords right there. And I'm going to click on enter. See what happens. Oh, look at that. Out of 15,000 people, I'm number 1. So that means that anybody that's searching for monetize or social, they're going to see me more than the rest of these people. And that means I'm using these keywords more than they are. So that's what you really want to do, is focus on the keywords. You can see right here, digital marketing, LinkedIn expert, veterans. I got a lot of military in there. Small business owners, monetize social. And when you do that, then you're going to rise to the top where you're very visible. This is branding you like a billboard on the side of a freeway. So people kind of look at that and say, wow, if he's showing up number 1, he must know what he's doing. I think I'll click on this guy and end up here, and then they check you out and come in here and start wanting to work with you. And that's where, like I said on our previous video, I just go to my connections on a daily basis. It tells me exactly who's chasing me on the profiles, who I should communicate with. But what I want to do is look right here, not all contacts, but all connections. Those are people that have added me, and I've accepted them. And you can see we've got hundreds of people a day coming in here and adding me. I've never talked to them. They've found me organically through the keywords. They've hit my profile. They liked what they saw, and they said, you know what? I think this guy, David Lundgren, would be a good person to connect with and to do some business with. And you can see them just flowing in here all day long. And when you start having a couple hundred a day, you're going to get to a point where you're like me and say, wow, just wait till I really know what I'm doing. So anyway, your connection totals and everything should be, your primary goal is to build your list. Because I always say this to people, if you're not building your list, you're talking to yourself. This has been David Lundgren, live at the Digital Design Center. Have a great day.